Hey everyone, it's Danny here. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys which one is the service valve and which one is the low pressure switch valve whenever you come across this kind of valve, when you have two ports right here. So, how to tell the difference? The one that is closest to the valve stem is always the service valve. So that's the one that you can cut off the refrigerant flow for. So right now, when you bring the stem all the way out, you stop the flow of refrigerant coming out of this port. This port, the low pressure switch port, it always has refrigerant flowing out. So if you don't want to use this, you have to cap it off very tight. So that is how you know which one is the service port and which one is the low pressure port.